Good morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng sweet Filipino style spaghetti. Okay? So sit back and relax and please watch this video until the end. Okay, here are the ingredients. We have here 1/4 kilo ground pork. Meron tayo ditong regular size hot dog, 3 pieces. And meron tayo ditong 400 grams pasta, spaghetti pasta. And we have here 250 grams Filipino style spaghetti sauce, and then we have here 250 grams sweet style spaghetti sauce, 1 small can of alpine, gagamit tayo ng 165 grams na cheese, and then gagamit din tayo ng 2 tablespoon star margarine. And meron tayo ditong 6 cloves of garlic, 1 piece regular size onion, and 1 piece regular size tomato. And gagamit din tayo ng 2 pieces bell pepper and 2 pieces calamansi, and also we will be using cooking oil and salt and pepper, and also we will be using water later. Okay, what we're going to do next is ito na po yung pinakuluan nating tubig. Bago natin ilagay yung ating spaghetti pasta, maglalagay muna tayo ng isang kutsarang asin. Then, kutsarang mantika. Lalagay na rin natin ang ating 400 grams na spaghetti pasta. So, pakuluan natin siya ka-friendship hanggang maging al dente for at least 10 minutes. Ayan ka-friendship, al dente na yung spaghetti pasta natin. So, what we're going to do next is i-drain natin to. Okay. Let's do the drain. Okay, so what we're going to do next is i-drain natin itong ating spaghetti pasta. Mainit. Tudo na natin. Oops! Lalagyan natin ng at least 2 kutsarang star margarine para hindi siya mag-sticky at dagdag pampalasa na rin. Ayan, so hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan mag-drain ka-friendship. What we're going to do next is gagawa naman tayo ng sauce. Next time ka-friendship ay gagawa tayo ng sauce. So, magpapainit muna tayo ng hotpan. Lagyan natin ng konting cooking oil. Igigisa natin yung bawang. Next, ang onion. Yung tomato. And then yung ating ground pork. Lagyan natin ng konting salt and pepper. Okay, so hayaan na lang muna natin ito dyan ka-French wrap hanggang maging golden brown yung ating ground pork. Ito na yung ground pork natin. So, what we're going to do next is idadagdag natin yung ating hotdog. Ayan, iluluto rin natin ang hotdog for at least 2 minutes. Ka-French wrap, luto na yung hotdog natin. So this time, idadagdag natin yung ating spaghetti sauce. Sisimutin natin pwede. And then isusunod natin yung ating alpine. Dagdag na rin natin yung ating cheese. Ayan, kinat ko siya ka-French wrap ng cubes kasi mas gusto ko yung mas crunchy yung cheese. Ayan, malapit na. Dagdag na rin natin yung ating bell pepper. So, tikman natin yung lasa niya, kung okay na. Okay na siya ka-French wrap. Last but not the least, dagdag natin yung patakan natin ng calamansi. this point, ka-friendship, idadagdag natin yung ating spaghetti pasta. Ako kasi, ka-friendship, mas gusto ko yung inihalo na yung spaghetti at ang sauce kaysa gawing toppings lang yung sauce. So, ayan, ihahalo na natin. Ito na yung sweet Filipino style spaghetti natin. So at this point, pwede na natin siyang i-transfer sa serving plate. Chef, ito na po yung ating finished product, the sweet Filipino style spaghetti. So dagdagan natin siya ng cheese sa ibabaw. The cheesier, the merrier. So, ayan na siya ang ating spaghetti. That's all for today, ka-friendship. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong ating sweet Filipino style spaghetti. Okay, so kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. Okay, so once again, this is Dr. Mira at your service. Always remember that keep going. Everything you need will come to you in perfect time. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.